Hey guys, Darren Tang, professional bowler here, back at GameWorks in Las Vegas, and today we're going to do a layout comparison for the Proton Physix. Today we have two of my standard layouts, my pin up, pin down, and this is for asymmetric bowling balls. This is going to be a 4.5 by 4 by 2 layout for the pin up layout, and the pin down is going to be a 5 by 5 by 4.5. So we got our pin up and pin down Proton Physix here. I'm going to start with the pin down one because it allows me to play a little straighter, and we'll talk a little bit about pin up versus pin down layouts in general a little later. First, we're going to test out these bowling balls and see how they look. All right, so we got the pin down ball right there, and what I'm expecting, the different layouts, the pin down one should be a little bit longer and a little smoother because of the flare. And the pin up one's probably gonna force me much further left. It's gonna wanna flare a lot more and probably hook earlier as well. And yeah, we'll give the pin down one another look. I'm thinking we're just gonna drop the speed a touch just to get it to pick up a little sooner. Not gonna move my feet. Keep things the same. So you kind of see that ball really wants to stay on line. I went a notch lower with my ball speed. Still kicking the 10, not quite flushed yet, so I could probably afford to move a little further right with my feet. But I'm not gonna do that, and I'm just gonna try the pin-up ball. Okay, so here we got our pin-up ball, 4.5 inches from our PAP. I'm gonna stay in the same spot, and we'll see what this one gives us. That wasn't my best shot. That went into the ground. So I'm gonna make the same adjustment that I made with the pin down one. I'm just gonna drop the speed. Now that shot I threw similar to the first shot with the pin down one, so let's see what the slower speed does for us. All right, it's kind of the same result. All right, so not quite what I expected, but this pin down one I've been throwing over there, I've literally thrown 6 times. So I think the cover's still fresh enough to bring the balls closer together. I've thrown the pin up one about 30 times. So not consistent really. We should probably get some more shots on the pin down one. But considering how the distances down the lane look pretty similar, we can assume the pin down one will go longer. It's gonna allow me to play straighter. And you know, if I'm looking to hook the ball more, I'm gonna go to the pin up one. We're gonna move left just for the hell of it, even though we're not quite flushing up the shots. Let's see if we can make it happen. That's actually pretty close. I kind of want to try that with the pin down one and see what happens. All right, back to the pin down one. I moved 4 with my feet and 2 with my eyes. We're gonna make the same shot here. Not in my best form right now. That was probably a good arrow left down lane. We'll give it another shot. All right, one more try, same spot with the pin down. This one's a 5-inch pin like mentioned earlier. And let's see. All right, that was a little closer. Probably still a little further left than the pin up one, but you can visually see that ball kind of wobbling down lane, and that's because the ball's not flaring as much. And that's what's causing the ball to push further down the lane. All right, so based off of that ring 10, I was manipulating it quite a bit, and you never really want to manipulate it when you don't have to. So with the pin up one, it was a lot easier for me to shape the lane. This one I'm gonna have to do a lot more to get it to go to the pin. So I'm just gonna move a few back to the right. Actually, I'm gonna move even further right than where we started, just to see how we're looking in this part of the lane. That's a lot better in that spot right there. So what do I see specifically in the Proton Physix, pin up versus pin down? The pin up one definitely forces me further left. I gotta hook the ball a little more. Pin down one's gonna allow me to play straighter because it's smoother and it gets down the lane a little bit better. But the cover stock being so strong with this ball, with this long pattern especially, every couple of shots I had to keep moving. And that's just how strong this ball is. So if you're looking for something like this, if you need help, if you want your ball to hook, this is the ball for you. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video showcasing the pin up Proton versus the pin down. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have any other bowling balls you want to see reviewed by myself, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Please leave a like, it's free. And if you want to interact with me live on twitch.tv/vitamindtang, hit the link in the description below. And if you are interested in purchasing a Proton Physix just like this, make sure you visit your Storm local VIP pro shop. Storm Nation, don't forget to always bowl up a storm.